I just have some salt. I have some cold salt from Barbuda that I am letting dissolve in this little bit of water as I'm going to try and bathe the chick. I know if nothing else, salt should do the trick as I try to save this chicken. I'm gonna try my best. And then I am going to use Canadian healing oil and try and just the wound. I'm going to wrap him up in, let this not washcloth do the trick and bandage him up and see. And then later on in the day, try and give him something to eat.